with Roofing 101 here in Ontario, California, and we are doing a roof inspection on this roof that is roughly about 35 years old. So if you've ever wanted to know what a 35-year-old shingle looks like, I'm about to show you. So this is what a 35-year-old shingle looks like. Let's get super close. What happens is over the course of time, these granules just come right off. And the way that a shingle is actually made, it's got layers and layers of fiberglass and asphalt, and this shiny fibers right here. These are all fiberglass fibers. And what happens is over the course of time, it just wears out. You can see how just by lifting up, I mean, the shingle is just literally disintegrating as I lift it up. So this is a big problem. So the best thing that you can do as a homeowner is not wait for your shingles to get into this condition. It's definitely past the time of replacement, and it's time to go. I mean, you can just see how this edge, I'm just pressing it and it just disintegrates. Luckily, what is not causing, what's keeping this from leaking is the fact that there's another layer underneath here. You know, again, another thing that we don't recommend, but the fact that there's two layers has kept it from leaking. We had a windstorm come through, tabs have blown off. You can see how this corner just ripped right off. I mean, if I can take my finger and create problems just with my finger, you can imagine what a 60-mile-an-hour wind would do. So this is exactly what it did. It just tore shingles. So you have multiple shingles on this roof now that are torn and causing problems, you know, and potential leaks. So if this doesn't get fixed, the potential issue that this homeowner is going to have is, you know, hundreds, if not thousands of dollars of interior damage. Like I can press right here. You can see this indentation, and I can press down and almost create just a hole. So the fact that I can press my finger on here, that's a problem. I've never, and quite frankly, I've never seen a roof this old before. So this is really fascinating. You know, and the problem also is it just becomes super unsafe to walk on because it's like walking on a slippery slope. So my recommendation for this homeowner is going to be to replace this roof, and actually we're going to file a claim with their insurance company because of the damage that we're finding up here. This is something that an insurance company would cover. It's a non-repairable surface, obviously, and there's plenty of wind damage. So if they have the homeowner's insurance coverage, which we'll find out, we're going to file a claim and have the insurance company come out.
Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Ready to book your free inspection? Check the link in the description box for more information.